Good morning. This is a nice little thing we got from my wife's vehicle here. Recently got this new car, but nothing in the back seat for putting cups or items. And we went on a road trip and we had our daughter with us, college age daughter, and she was like, don't have anywhere to put my drink, you know. So we bought this, really nice. It's got a big slot for your big, your big cup there, your big metal cup that you're carrying on, and it got another one right here. Also, container here, a little flat bottom here to put, devices or whatever else you're carrying with you. So if you have a vehicle that doesn't have a cup holder in the back, this thing right here, and it fits. We've got it connected back here in the back. So it's really handy. Comes in, really a necessary item. We don't have any kids or anything, and so nobody sits here in the middle. So this is a great for your back passenger to have a place to put their items, especially on a long road trip. So this is come in handy. It looks nice, and it just looks like it's part of the car, actually, really. So we've been happy with it. So if you're looking for something like this, this thing is working for us. So maybe this will work for you.